Okay. hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. I think I know what it is. So let's see. I think it's a winner unboxing. I got, sorry, I got this in the mail. And let's see what it is. Milk your order. REDMOND Milk Frother for coffee. Detachable electric milk frother and steamer. Soft, hot, cold foam and hot chocolate. REDMOND. Let me do it very, very carefully. That's cute, this little design. Open it up. This must be the jug. This is the description. And this is it. So, usually we do not room temperature frosting, heat frosting, heat blending, heating frosting, heating blending. I think I will use heating frosting. 5 ounce, 80 to 150 secondo. Okay, let's. Oh, heating chocolate and blending. That's the hottest. Let's see the color. White color. And this must be cold. And this is heating and blending. This one. Can you see it? Okay, I will. It seems quite easy. The jug, the milk frother, and it's detachable, so you can use. This is not those kind of. I used to have one that was non-sticky coating, and you rinse it out, you wash it out with a soft foam. And this one, it seems you can use anything to rinse it. Not in a rush. Wow, any direction is good. Okay, and sorry, the frother. Here is the frother. I don't think I need this white. Oh, I do need this white? I think I do need this white. Let's do it. Then it will be too hot, no? That is strange. I think. this is it. Oh, this one, I better not to damage it. Okay. Oh, it is supposed to be put all together. 9. Rotate, fixing bottom plate. Okay, I am good. Okay, I put milk to maximum. There is a sign of maximum. I think that is enough. This should not be maximum. Heating and blending. Oh, maximum, yes. I can go to maximum. That should be sufficient. I do not want to over consume it. It's kind of pretty, right? And it takes 80 seconds to 1 minute, 80 to 150 seconds. Oh, wow. Did I do something? Shall we do it? Ooh. Oh, it's quiet. Look at it. It will be noisy with coffee. Will be very, very noisy. Please excuse me. It stopped. Perfect timing. Is it stopped? Wow, looks good and quite hot. Wow. Looks quite good, actually. Whoa, look at it. Oh, that's a lot. Oh wow, a lot of foam, and the temperature is quite hot. Oh, that's a very pleasant. Look at it. There is some music. There is some noise, but not too much. This is good. Very, very, very good. See? Oh. Wow. Not bad at all. The temperature is right. It's not too hot. It's not too cold. You go to luxury coffee shop. They usually give you the most expensive coffee, but so oftentimes it's just lukewarm. This is a little bit hot than lukewarm. I think this is just perfect and easy to wash. Oh, I love it. It's very good. You can make it hot, you can make it cold, I suppose. You can make a cold. It's kind of unbelievable how easy to wash it. You rinse it and use a piece of kitchen towel to dry it. I am using a kitchen towel to dry it, and that is it. Like it. Not bad at all. It's a good thing. Bye bye, friends. Bon appetit. This is the flower from our backyard, and my family put it into the little cup and give it to me. I am so, so blessed. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Bye bye, friends. Chin chin. It's good.